But you can't tell me that doesn't look real. Like, it looks like this could be my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another in-store video. I'm going to be showing you how I got this messy high bun, kind of curly bun tutorial. I've been seeing the girls do this on Instagram and I absolutely love this hairstyle, so I thought to give it a go. So I'm using 𝐲𝐻 African's Kinky straight wig, and you guys already know how I feel about kinky straight hair. Like, it's right up my alley. It blends so well with, well, not blends, but it just looks so realistic. It's the closest texture to our hair texture, whether that's natural blown out or relaxed. It just looks like it could be your hair, so I love that. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I achieved this hairstyle, so if you're interested in knowing how I did it, definitely keep watching and I'll see you guys at the end once I'm done. So today I'm going to be working with this gorgeous wig from, well, I'm about to show you the box, but let me show you the wig from 𝐲𝐻 African. This is a kinky straight unit. You guys know I love kinky straight, and I believe I've worked with 𝐲𝐻 African before on their kinky straight and it was gorgeous. As usual, this is the lace. Oh, I can actually see that the lace on this wig is on the kinky side, like the baby hairs are on the kinky side. It looks like our edges. That's kind of interesting. Oh, it's actually, wow. So the baby hairs are actually like actual edges. That's kind of crazy. That'll be interesting to style. So it has 4 combs inside and an elastic band already attached to the wig, which is perfect. The lace looks really good, matches my skin tone really well, blends in amazingly. So the melt should be good. I haven't really done anything to prep it, but I'm kind of scared of these little baby hairs, I can't lie. Interesting to see how that's gonna look. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the box that it came in. 𝐲𝐻 African, lovely packaging, and it comes with some gifts inside as well. So I've just put it on and this is what it looks like. This is what I was talking about when I said the baby hairs are literally like actual baby hairs, which is very interesting. I've never seen that before on a wig. It looks quite realistic. As usual, I'm just gonna push this back. I'm just gonna clean the hairline. Okay, so now the hairline is cleaned off, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the ear tabs to align with the shape of my head, basically. Now that's done, I'm gonna cut the lace into 3 sections just to make it easier whilst I'm laying, so I can work in sections and not get confused. I finished spraying down the wig on my head. Just gonna cut off the lace now. And I'm gonna get my eyebrow razors to do this. I'm gonna start in the middle. The wig is all on my head. Obviously, I need to clean up the hairline. It's not looking very cute right now. Just gonna clean off the lace a little bit with my face halo. And then I'm gonna go over the top of it with my contour stick, which is the Black Opal Ebony Brown contour stick. It's actually a foundation stick, but I use it as a contour stick. And the reason I use a darker shade is just so it blends in with the corner of my face, since I've already like bronzed and stuff. So now that the wig is all on, it's not coming off, I'm gonna start styling. I just did very minimal baby hairs and they look quite realistic, I do have to say. It's looking like this could be my hair. What I'm gonna do now, I really wanna recreate this style that I've been seeing on Instagrams. I'm gonna create a middle part. So after I've created that middle part, I'm going to get my bed head spray. I'm going to spray it along the side of the middle parting. This is going to help it stay in place and just going to make it look a lot neater. Then I'm going to start creating the parting for my front bangs. I'm just going to get 2 medium-sized portions from the front and just align it with my face. Then I'm going to put the rest of the hair away and just kind of focus on those 2 portions at the front. These are going to be the little curly bits that you guys see in the style, and I'm also going to get 2 little pieces from the side as well, just to curl it up and make it look a little bit more messy. So I'm going to put my hair away, or the hair at the back away for now. I'm going to come back to that later, and then I'm just going to concentrate on the front pieces. So I'm going to get an eyebrow razor. I'm just going to cut off the hair just so it aligns with my face shape. Cutting it just kind of frames your face a little bit more, and it just looks a little bit cuter just when it's a little bit short. So I'm going to get my hot comb and I'm going to hot comb the front just so it stays a little bit better and it just looks a bit neater. Now I'm going to get all the hair from the wig and I'm just going to pack it away. I want to use quite a thick hairband for this. I'm actually using like a wig band, hence it looking a bit crazy. I'm going to hide the band later, but it just helps it stay better because the hair is quite full. Then I'm going to straighten the front portions of the hair with my Dyson Corral straighteners, and then I'm going to curl both pieces away from my face. It was kind of hard to do this bit, I don't know why. The first like portion of the hair, like this side was really easy. Maybe because I'm left-handed, I don't know. This side was really easy. And then when I got to this side, it was just not doing what I wanted it to do. But I think it's because I'm left-handed and I didn't use the right hand. I don't know. But anyway, style it how you want. Just make sure they're a bit curly. Now it's looking cute. We're going to start styling the messy bun. Oh, actually, we're going to go back to the side pieces. I'm just going to curl those pieces as well. Make it look a little bit more, you know, I just woke up like this kind of look. Then once that's done, I'm going to go to the bun section. So I'm going to start styling the bun. And this is just really easy. Literally, all I did was just get the hair and just tucked it into itself, basically, and left a few pieces dangling down. So I just tucked it. And then I got a hairband. You want to get a thick hairband again, something that's going to be big enough to wrap around the hair at least twice. So I got a hairband and I just wrapped it around just to make sure it was secure. Tucked a few more bits in and just, you know, tied it up basically. It just looked like, you know, a messy bun. And yeah, you want to make sure you leave like a few stray pieces out because we're going to use those pieces later. We're going to basically curl them and it just adds to the style to make it look a little bit more messy, quote unquote messy. It's kind of like a neat mess. So I'm going to get my corral straighteners again and I'm just going to literally just curl them a little bit, make them look, you know, effortless. And like we just kind of fell into this hairstyle by accident. So this is basically the end result of the hair. Super cute, super playful. I really like it. I think this is such a cute hairstyle if you just want a quick, well, it's not really quick, is it? But if you use your natural hair, it'll be quick. But yeah, loved it. I am done. Sorry I wasn't talking during the last bit, but I wanted to really concentrate and get this right. But I think I kind of got it. Like, this is cute. I freaking love this hairstyle. It's so cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. This is not a full lace wig, so the back isn't as neat as I would like, but for the concept, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little 360 so you guys can see the back. Let me move a little bit so you can see it. So this is the side, and then this is the back. I don't know what it looks like in the back, but like I said, it's not a full lace wig, so the back isn't gonna look as neat, but that's that side, and then this is this side, and the back again. I love this hairstyle. I think it's super, super cute. That's it for this install video. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, this hair is from Wow African. If you don't already know, I'm really into the kinky straight because it gives me the realistic look that I'm going for, and it just matches so well with my hair texture. Like the baby hairs, let me just move this out of the way. But you can't tell me that doesn't look real. Like, it looks like this could be my hair. I love it. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think down below of this style. Let me know if you're gonna be recreating. Obviously, this is not my style. I've seen it on the gram, but if you do recreate it from my tutorial, definitely tag me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Hopefully, I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Purchase your track.